Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for stopping by. It's Lela from Ms. Lela Pink Journey. I am sharing with you a video on how I pressed a printout onto a designer scarf. So the first thing I did is I used my lint roller to remove as much of the lint as possible from this scarf. The scarf is 100% polyester and it has a linen type feel to it. It's very soft. The next thing I did is I used the Heatpress to remove as much of the moisture as possible. I pre-pressed it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And now I'm grabbing the 13 by 19 print that I printed out with Cosmos ink, and I'll leave a link below to Cosmos ink. Cosmos sells sublimation ink as well as pigment ink, and they are both very nice and vibrant. So I folded this printout down the middle so that I can find the center section that I want to line up with the point of this scarf. I actually assisted this business owner by creating her a startup logo, and then I used the startup logo to create a set of different items for her. So this item is a designer scarf where I added a little bling using the silhouette cameo and some very pretty designer type of digital papers. I have a sheet of butcher paper under this scarf, and I have a sheet of butcher paper across the top of the scarf, and I think I've lined it up pretty well. I am going to press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds using this Heatpress Nation Black Series Swing Away press. The press is 16 by 20 and the printout is 13 by 19, so it's perfect. Large press, large print. Again, I sprayed this with Dye-Strands Pro Spray. It's a removable adhesive, and it's very helpful when I want to move items around until I get them pretty much straight on the press as possible prior to pressing. And as I stated, I'm making a whole set of items for Kai's Cosmetics LLC. She's going to be doing giveaways, and she's also going to have these products in her product line to go along with her scrubs and her other items that she creates. They're natural items. Oh, it came out perfect. So here's the scarf. It's a designer scarf, and her slogan is "You Go Girl." Kai's Cosmetics LLC. I love it. It came out great. We'll be making more of these. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, I can place your logo on anything that you would like. Well, most anything. Let's say that. So just email me and I will definitely check out what we can do to work together. Have a great one.